Knowing good vocabulary is very important in writing. Using the perfect word in your sentence will help to make your ideas clearer. Try increasing your vocabulary by watching this video to learn how to use new words in sentences. Today's word is the word motive. Motive means something that causes a person to act in a certain way, or the goal or object of a person's actions. The word motive is a noun. Let's look at a few sentences using this word. His motive for studying so hard was to be accepted into a major university. Here, the word motive means his reasons or the objective for what he was doing. There seemed to be no clear motive for his actions. To have no clear motive means to not have a reason or goal for the action. Motivate is the verb form. The manager tried to motivate his employees to be more efficient. To motivate means to cause somebody to do something. In this case, the manager was trying to get his employees to be more efficient. The ability to motivate people is a necessary skill for a manager. Motivation is the noun form. It appeared that more motivation was needed to see better results. Motivation means to provide a reason for doing something. The motivation behind the new policy was to develop better results. We also often use the word unmotivated. This means that they do not have a reason to do something. He was totally unmotivated to study. This means he had no reason and did not want to study. Lazy and unmotivated people cause problems for any company. To be unmotivated is not a good thing. Motive, motivate, motivation, unmotivated. These are all good words to add to your vocabulary. Try using some of these words to help improve your vocabulary.